Hello dear children, in the previous video we learnt about the dating techniques. These methods are used to determine how old the layer of soil or the remains found in them are. So let us understand about carbon-14 dating techniques. Children, it is really not that difficult. Carbon dating technique is a radioactive element that is found in the bodies of all living organisms, whether it be humans, animals, or plants. After the death of an organism, the carbon 14 in the body begins to decrease. When the pieces of wood, charcoal, bone, fossil, etc. from the prehistoric period are found, it is possible to measure the remaining carbon 14 in a laboratory. By measuring the remaining carbon 14 in the object, we learn how old that object is. There are few other dating methods, but carbon 14 dating method is one of the most frequently used. Once the age of an ancient object is determined with the help of this and other dating methods, it is possible to determine the period of the culture to which these objects belong. Then it can be placed on the unilinear timetable. Children, this method was introduced or invented by the scientist Willard Libby, and it is said or it is possible to decide the age of the ancient object up to 60,000 years old with the help of carbon 14 method. Children, let us now learn about dendrochronology, that is tree ring method. As the tree grows old or as the tree grows in height, the trunk also grows in girth. A new ring appears for every year of the growth of the girth. The ring can be seen when the tree is cut. If we count the rings, we come to know the age of the tree. It can also be used to determine the age of the wooden artifacts. This method is known as tree ring method or dendrochronology. Children, I hope both these methods are clear to you all. The methods are also known as dating techniques. Thank you.